Hey there, guys. So, like I promised you, we're going to get a recap video of today's class. I know with all the mix up with Google Classroom and your correct schedule, you probably missed a couple things today. So, this is what this is for. We're going to recap. So, no biggie, just stick tuned throughout this video. So, what is our video lesson goal for today? Well, let's make this nice and big. Our video lesson goal is the proper way to annotate a shape. That was all today we really did in class today, so we could be set up for success for tomorrow. So just know if you could get through this video and fully understand it, you're set up for tomorrow. If not, I highly recommend just reaching out to one of your math teachers and say, hey, can you just please go over real quickly how to annotate? I just need a little bit more help, okay? But let's dive in with our first annotation. So our first annotation right here, we have right angles. And this is one I know that you guys all know about. So as we've discussed, and that's what we discussed not only today, but also elementary school, a right angle is 90 degrees. And you use this little box in the corner to represent a right angle. So you ever was given a shape and you see this box here, that's how you know it is 90 degrees and is a right angle. You don't need to guess, you don't need to assume, you don't need to predict. You could use evidence to make a strong claim and be correct. So that's the first annotation we talked about. We have two more. So what's the second one? Well, the second one is parallel sides. And as you guys said on yourself, you beautifully said yourself, parallel sides are when two lines or two sides of a shape do not intersect. So on the first shape, this trapezoid, you notice it only has one pair of parallel sides. However, the square and the rectangle right underneath has two pairs of parallel sides. So it's really important, A, that you use that verbiage, one pair or two pair. You just don't say two parallel sides or four parallel sides. You want to say one pair or two pair. And then there's something else you also need to be careful about. If you notice on our square and rectangle where we have multiple pairs of parallel sides, they use the number of arrows to denote which sides are parallel. So you look on the left and the right side, there's only one arrow. That represents that side is parallel. And then the top and the bottom, there are two arrows, letting us know that those sides are parallel. Now, we just got one last annotation to go over. Congruent sides or equal sides. Either vocab suffices. So for equal sides, we use tick marks. And just like with the parallel sides, you have to be careful with the number of sides you use. On the number of ticks you use per side. For example, if you see on the left and the right, there's only one tick mark, letting us know that those sides are equal. And then on the top and the bottom, there's two tick marks, letting us know that the top and bottom are equal sides. And well, if you know about rectangles, which that is, we know that opposite sides are equal. And that's what this annotation shows us. I don't need to guess. I don't need to assume. I could use those annotations to make a claim and be correct. So guys, I just recommend going over this video a couple of times. And if you still have questions, go ahead and reach out to us. Have a great day.